We are the UK's leading supplier of multi-brand machinery diagnostics. Our product GelTest helps organisations with repair and downtime costs by allowing you to perform most main dealer functions across all agricultural, construction and material handling equipment. GelTest comes fully loaded with a database containing both technical information, component locations and wiring diagrams for advanced troubleshooting. Since 2005, we've supplied the best diagnostic products backed up with industry-leading UK-based vehicle and IT support. With 16 years of experience, our highly skilled technicians can help you with the most complex of vehicle or IT issues through remote assistance. Our product functionality includes reading and deleting of error codes, displaying and graphing of live and nominal vehicle data, adjustments of vehicle settings, system checks and component actuations, programming of ECUs, detailed interactive wiring diagrams and linked guided diagnosis. Eclipse have supplied thousands of customers in the UK, covering over 140 manufacturers including Caterpillar, Kobelco, Doosan, Liebherr, John Deere, Massey, Fendt, JCB and many more. If you're interested in more information or require an on-site demonstration with your local area manager, please reach out on the details provided. Thanks for watching.